Nature's Bay Estate is one of the most beautiful estates you can find here at Ketu, Epe, Lagos, Nigeria.
This estate is going to be eco-friendly and we have a lot of features, including perimeter fencing, good road network, awesome drainage, enough parking space for occupants. It will also have recreational facilities like the basketball courts, a gym facility, and other amenities that you can imagine.
This beautiful estate is of close proximity to the Alaro City, Augustine University, Isimi Lagos, and of course the Epe Resort and Spa.
And also this place is just like about 2 minutes away from the international airport. We are just divided by the lagoon down there, so it's just a stone throw to the new international airport that is actually coming here to Epe.
Patriot Bay Estate has a title of registered survey and CFO in view, meaning that it is free from government acquisition.
As you can see, this estate is directly facing the express.
Don't forget, for 300 square meters, you just need an initial deposit of 1 million naira, and for 500 square meters, you just need an initial deposit of 2 million naira. So guys,
If you don't invest, you cannot harvest. What are you waiting for? Invest now.